Hi everyone, Cassie here. Welcome back to my YouTube channel for another video. Today I'm very excited to be announcing that the Not Too Shabby shop is going to be doing a virtual card making paper crafting retreat called Enjoy This Life, and it's going to be in September 14th and 15th, and it's virtual so we can gather up. They're all going to be pre-recorded classes and they're going to be done by myself. I get to do one, and 7 other amazing instructors. I'm so excited to be teaching alongside these wonderful people, and you're gonna, once you see who they are, you're gonna be like, yes, I know all of them. It's wonderful. So I'm very excited about it. And another thing is, it's free. All you have to do is go down to the description box down below and you just sign up and get yourself registered for the retreat. But by registering, you will get an early bird special that if you do want to buy the kit that will go along with all of the really cool projects that the instructors are making, you can get a discount on it. And if you get it in time, you can also get a free paper pad for as long as those are available. And I'm looking at this kit right now, and while it might be fun to shop your stash, I think once you see this, it'll get you in that fall vibe and you'll be wanting to be making all of these things with all of these products right alongside all of those instructors. So let's show you what is in this kit. So you are going to get a really awesome stamp set. This is a big stamp set. I love how we've got the pumpkins in there. This fox has me all like, oh my goodness. And then all these really great fall elements. So exciting. I just love this. There's sentiments like autumn blessings, happy fall, y'all, give thanks, find joy in the simple pleasures, hello fall, fall is in the air. And then another little one that just says fall, but it goes so well. And along with that is the matching die set. So I love that there is that. That makes it so wonderful. We also have the Perfectly Plaid 6x6 stencil. So beautiful stencil, very intricate and exciting. And I love it. I don't have anything like that in my stash. I have some plaids, but not one like this. Then you're also going to get this huge ephemera pack. So check it out. I could pull this out. There's so many in there. You're going to be able to make so many cards with these, quick cards when it comes to ephemera, and they just match and coordinate perfectly with everything else. There's also this standalone die that says Enjoy This Life. It has the shadow and it has the Enjoy This Life, and that's how it's going to look when it's cut out. But I'm excited about that. I think it's big and I love it. We also have these gorgeous enamel dots, and they're shimmery. Oh my goodness. And the colors, like I said, everything coordinates so beautifully together. So let me show you the paper pad that comes in this kit. This, like I said, the colors are amazing, and I love that they're double-sided papers. So check that out. This is your 12 design 6x6 sheet. I'll just kind of flip through. But does that not? Oh my goodness, I cannot wait to jump into this. I know we're in the middle of summer right now, but I'm telling you, I'm excited for some fall cards. And like I said, if you do sign up ahead of time, while it's still available, so you might want to jump on it, you'll get this free paper pad. All these plaids, and there's so many choices in there, and I'm so excited about it. And it all just goes so well together. So like I said, head on down to that description box down below. You'll see the link to head and sign up and register so that you can get the early bird special. If you want to buy the kit, it's a great deal. Otherwise, I will see you there. Thanks for stopping by, and we'll see you soon.